Hey everyone, welcome to Couch Potato. I'm your host Mayank Anand, and today we have with us Sahib Noor Singh Chahal. ये भी बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी का बंदा है. मैं उन्हीं को यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी का पूरा जूस निकाल रहा हूँ मैं. हेलो साहिब.
तेरे पास और है कौन ब्रो? हेलो.
अभी नेटवर्क बना ही रहा हूँ ब्रो.
श्योर
तो
श्योर.
सो टुडे वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट वांडा विजन. हम लोग काफ़ी डिस्कशन करते हैं एमसीयू को लेकर. आई थिंक मी एंड यू आर टू ऑफ द मोस्ट वेला पर्सनालिटीज राइट नाउ,
आई
एंड
नो
दैट इज व्हाई
राइट,
वी
बहुत
डिस्कस
ज्यादा.
मोस्ट अबाउट एमसीयू. सो या, व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट द शो एज अ होल? शुरुआत करते हैं पहले.
सो इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, मतलब शो तो काफी अच्छा था.
हम्म.
एंड द फर्स्ट, आई मीन, was why they just 20 minutes. I mean, it makes no sense how to convey
हम्म.
20 minutes, right?
हम्म.
But then after watching those first two episodes, I realized that the first two episodes are not even about Marvel. Like, they're absolute for someone who's just started, and they were still so beautiful. I mean, remember us having that key. There's little in the entire show, in the episodes, that relates any novel except for a couple of scenes, I guess. But still, the show was so beautiful. It was दो characters निकाल दिए Marvel से, and उसकी independent story बना दी. What if they were never in Marvel? They were individual characters.
Yeah.
So I think the first two episodes were very good. I mean, the way they started the show was amazing. It's been a better start to the show for sure.
Yeah, I think it was about
First, well, just
हाँ. तो it was about I guess captivating the audience first with that with a very different presentation.
right.
Because MCU में जो देखा था अभी तक, it had a singular tone, right? मूवी शुरू होते
Exactly.
ही वी वर लाइक कि ओके MCU मूवी है. बट ये स्टार्ट होते ही हाँ मार्वल स्टूडियोज़ का इंट्रोडक्शन आया था.
We basically, yeah,
हाँ बट
we
उस
knew the tone of the entire movie जब भी कोई शुरू होता था, but इस केस में नहीं था.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट किया इन्होंने पहले 2-4 एपिसोड में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा. एंड उसके बाद
काफी.
धीरे धीरे दे गॉट इन टू दैट MCU सेटअप वेयर दे टॉक अबाउट द स्टोरी अलॉट, वेयर दे टॉक अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स अलॉट. तो पहले पूरा का पूरा एक सेटअप ले डाउन किया इन्होंने जहाँ पे हमें कुछ नहीं पता था ये क्या चल रहा है भाई. हाउ डिड दे एंड अप इन 1950s and then why is the second part 60s then 70s.
Exactly. मतलब कुछ आइडिया नहीं था हमें, एंड दे स्टिल हैड दैट मार्वल टच टू इट, मतलब ईस्टर एग्स हो गए, एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो गया. पहले एपिसोड में स्टार्क के ऊपर था, दी स्टार्क टोस्टर, आई गेस. सेकंड वन वाज ऑन हाइड्रा सोप था, आई गेस, है ना?
yes they had
दे
मतलब
स्टिल
Easter
हैड दैट
eggs.
टू, यू
Yeah.
नो. So they still had that Marvel touch to make जो fans हैं, जो original fans हैं that have been following Marvel since back in 2008, उनको सा spark मिल जाए देखने के लिए कि, I mean, of course, those people would continue watching it, no doubt. But
Exactly.
एक वो spark which was very good जो Marvel ने इस दो at least Easter eggs के साथ किया था. And even though the episodes were not about Marvel, in the first episode itself उन्होंने पूरा, मतलब चीज रिवील कर दी थी by showing in the kind of scene, जब डार्सी को दिखाया था she is being at the table and writing all that stuff down, है ना?
Yeah.
तो वो एक काफी अच्छा टच था. मतलब that was like wow, I have goosebumps thinking about that. So they literally started with a bang. Sure.
That's true.
I guess पहले दो episode that was in black and white, and third episode में they bought color, right? I mean, they shifted into 80s.
In the middle of like exactly half point पे they turn to color when she decides to go
Right,
from
right.
60 to 70 in the next episode. तब इसने ये किया था.
Right. Correct. So I guess until third, the viewers had actually चल के आ रहा है. It was still the sitcom era, and everything was based on that. Third episode में we started getting some new stuff as well.
हम्म
मोनिका रैम्बो को निकाल दिया था. विजन started having doubts about what's happening. This thing, when he wasn't sure, he kind of knew that something is wrong in the hex.
हम्म
So third episode started revealing stuff, and I guess the fourth episode was the best one. I mean, it literally explained what exactly happened up until the third episode.
yeah
The fourth episode basically something like अब तक क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, behind the scenes kind of stuff.
true
So
so
fourth episode cleared all the doubts up until that time.
just a moment, now we have our second guest with us, which is Saurabh Thantia. Hello Saurabh, क्या हाल है?
हाय सब
So,
बढ़िया कैसे
so
हो?
Sahib is my batchmate, guys, and Saurabh Tantia is my junior. Again, law school junior. तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं बॉक्सी था. So yeah, Saurabh Tantia is my junior from law
Can I
school.
mention that तुम मेरे से छोटा है? Is it fine like or should I not mention this man?
Well, it doesn't matter, buddy.
You already did, bro.
That is the point. Why the fuck does OBS even start acting up?
Whatever
now?
makes you sleep at night.
So just a minute. हाँ तो Saurabh, start talking about the show
Yep.
when you started watching it. तब तक मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा OBS ठीक कर लेता हूँ. So what did you
Okay.
feel
To
when
be
you?
honest,
हाँ.
I'm not much into sitcoms and all.
Hmm. अटक गया.
I've been watching for the past 10, 12 years. So what is this like exactly? I was a little confused altogether. But I will try to catch up because obviously it's Marvel, so it's gonna come up in the end.
Of course.
तो काफी वेट किया, देखते हैं क्या होगा नहीं होगा. Obviously, I started loving Elizabeth Olsen and Paul Bettany in the very first place. And trailers showed the twins as well, so I was waiting eagerly. Plus the red Halloween costume, that was one thing I was eagerly waiting because comics में थोड़ा बहुत देखा है, so it was one of expectations कि ये show में आएगा, so it's gonna be there. But like when things started unraveling. Earlier when they came out in the front and said ki it's Wanda, it's all Wanda, and I was like, damn. And I mean, imagine that kind of power. That was amazing. Watching that was amazing. But again, the loophole was, how did she do that? I mean, did she create individual? How did that power so much? But when they showed the outer epitome of that, it was like good. Like this is the power of Scarlet Witch altogether that we are waiting for. Then came in, I was hoping to see Spectrum and all. So yeah, that was one amazing thing. But I knew the name altogether कि हाँ ये होने वाला है. But I was not expecting कि इसी में ही दिखा देंगे.
Hmm.
फिर moving on ahead, जैसे जैसे shows है, पहला disappointment which I was कि उसका duration. It was like it's
Exactly,
only
20
to
minutes
25
is
minutes. I was like
nothing, man.
यार
ये लंबा होना चाहिए था.
नथिंग यार.
But ठीक है,
मतलब
I mean-
इतना तो
I mean-
नॉर्मल थोड़ा लंबा होना चाहिए था.
मतलब ठीक है, first impression
Yeah,
same
it's
था.
fine.
But I guess
Altogether, it's
after-
fine. मतलब
after watching, मतलब it
हाँ.
makes sense कि ठीक है, पहले के 20 minutes and then later on they actually
fourth
eventually
episode.
started.
हाँ.
Fourth episode पे they started expanding the time as well, so that was fine. मतलब starting 3 episodes 20 minutes ठीक है. It now makes
Disappointment
sense.
does not end there. Disappointment does not end there. That it was like 20 minutes पे खत्म हुआ. They started showing WandaVision and that television and all. And उसके बाद होता है ना कि आप अपना हाथ ऐसे रखते हो उस पर धीरे 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 बढ़ा रहे हो कि कहाँ पे क्रेडिट सीन आने
Post-credit
वाला है
scene.
कुछ अगला एपिसोड के लिए. जब कुछ नहीं
वो भी
था,
नहीं
I'm
थे.
like यार this is not happening. This is so not happening. But उसके बाद फिर I was like
वो तो
fine.
था.
And फिर जैसे जैसे Agnes आई. Agnes was one of my favorites to be honest. जब start हुआ.
बहुत प्यारी
You know,
acting.
I she is a brilliant actor altogether. The way she has portrayed herself, starting with the Agnes Waller thing, trying the WandaVision altogether, trying to be the neighbor, and सारा रोल था. मूवी का रोल आया actually वो तो ultimate, that was like, ooh,
What
like
transformation was
nice,
like
her name is Agatha
awesome.
Harkness
हाँ.
यार,
ओके, सो अगाथा के बारे में बात
brilliant,
करेंगे, अगाथा के
brilliant
बारे में भी
transformation.
बात करेंगे, बट उससे पहले नाउ
हाँ
वी
मतलब
हैव
I'm
वी
just saying the plot altogether.
Yeah. So now the second point that I want to ask you guys about is the introduction of Quicksilver, Wiccan, and Speed. Right? These three characters are very prominent characters in the comics. Okay? And what these characters, portray in the comics, ठीक है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स है कॉमिक्स में भी. So the point is, what do you feel about their, introduction? How do you feel about the introduction, and how do you feel about the fact that towards the end of the show इनका आर्क पूरा पूरा ख़त्म ही कर दिया, मतलब ऐसा ख़त्म किया है कि फैंस कैन नॉट होप फॉर अ रिवाइवल सॉर्ट ऑफ. ठीक है, बच्चों का मे बी, क्योंकि
Another revival, yes.
हाँ, बच्चों का मे बी रिवाइवल, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्विकसिल्वर, which could have been a gateway to the mutant verse of Marvel, ठीक है, वो पूरा का पूरा इन्होंने ठप कर दिया, ठीक है, अंत में, which for me was a little disappointing in my opinion, ठीक है, because what I expect is
Like I think
when you introduce a character, ठीक है, एक तो ऑलरेडी इन्होंने बहुत जल्दी क्विकसिल्वर को मार दिया था, मतलब लाते ही 2015 में मार दिया था. एंड येस, द रीज़न वॉज एक्चुअली राइट्स का प्रॉब्लम, विच वॉज 20th Century Fox had the mutant rights back then, and because of that they had to kill Quicksilver as soon as possible because they just wanted Wanda to be in the scene. That was the main aim. So ठीक है, तब तो मार दिया, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट अब क्या है कि नाउ दे हैव द म्यूटेंट राइट्स. Now they, one way or another, they brought Quicksilver into the show, and that gave me hope as to, okay, Quicksilver is a very small link, ठीक है, a very small introduction to the mutant verse, but चलो मिला तो ठीक है, वैसा एक सीन हो गया था. बट अब क्या हुआ, towards the end of the show, Quicksilver, Wiccan and Speed, all three of them, puff, ठीक है. Wiccan and Speed तो चलो डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज somehow can help and all that, but there are theories, ठीक है, जिससे वो वापस आ सकते हैं. क्विकसिल्वर का क्या बीटी हो गई मेरे को. He was just a random guy named
the Quicksilver
Boner.
का, I guess Ralph Boner.
Ralph.
I guess Quicksilver तो I guess मतलब I was pretty sure कि once Marvel killed the character back in 2015 Age of Ultron में, मतलब I never had hopes कि they will actually bring back Quicksilver.
हाँ.
रीजन इसलिए क्योंकि इन्होंने क्विकसिल्वर को बाद में भी मूवीज में मेंशन किया हुआ है एज अ ब्रदर, एंड मतलब इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी आई नेवर फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग व्हेन in a movie series or a TV series, जहाँ पे if you kill a character and give any reason to just bring that character back to life, I mean that it is in my opinion it is very hard to pull that off, to give the right reason, bring in the right situation in which you bring that character back to life. तो वो
It's basically about
hope मेरे पास तो थी नहीं.
the meaning of death, जो कैरेक्टर डेथ का जो मीनिंग था वो पूरा पूरा सॉर्ट ऑफ मीनिंगलेस हो जाता है, तो उसके वजह से आई अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ,
Exactly. So मतलब I never had hopes कि they will actually continue with Quicksilver in the MCU after WandaVision as well. तो उसमें तो मुझे इतनी disappointment थी नहीं. And Wiccan and Speed को देखा जाए तो हाँ, मतलब as per comics, Doctor Strange does help. I mean, Doctor Strange or I guess Professor X. Professor X actually helps Wanda in bringing back to life outside Hex as well. तो वो एक मतलब ये आइडिया नहीं था कि they'll actually kill both the characters in this season. But I do feel that they will bring them back in future MCU projects.
Yeah, I want them to come back. And one way or another, I feel like, okay, Quicksilver died because of something external. It wasn't supposed to be a part of the story. They had to do it because of something external. But then, if they revive him through something meaningful, okay, using the Marvel ways, ठीक है, something meaningful, like they did with Coulson, okay. If they do something like that, then I'm all up for Quicksilver returning and being a part of Marvel, because obviously he's a good character and he actually adds to the story in the comics. So yeah, we'll get to see some crazy storylines and stuff like that.
Correct.
Mutant verse ka. And Saurabh, what is your opinion on
See, what
Quicksilver,
I
Wiccan and
feel
Speed?
when you are introducing, yeah, so when you are looking at Quicksilver as the character who died in Age of Ultron, so I guess that was because of the rights that, like you said. But जब आप Ralph Bonner को altogether introduce करवा रहे हो ना, तो you are mentioning it as a weak link. But what I feel कि when it comes to Marvel ना, उनके पास ये बहुत strong link होगा. And since we are already moving into phase 4, now if you remember X-Men altogether, and उसमें he obviously had an injury. He kind of lost his powers, but it was shown कि वो एक coma में है, and then he met Jean and there was some close mind readings and sort of stuff, right? So what I am expecting from Marvel कि in the fourth phase, see, देखो, to be honest, a universe cannot exist without a speedster hero का जो आपके टीम, be it Justice League और भी, उनके पास एक speedster होना बहुत है.
Exactly.
Like he is very important. So वो revive होने वाला है. I feel so. I'm to be honest कि he'll be in this coma वाला phase जहाँ पे he has got into a different identity altogether and he's living a normal life because they want them to, because he can get there. उसके बाद they'll revive him by Doctor Strange or Scarlet Witch does that because mind reading capabilities and all that. So I'm expecting Quicksilver's revival. When you talk about death, they can show it कि it's not Pietro altogether. It's a actual speedster who originated from mutant powers and all. The two twins were altogether a point of. So I'm expecting this can unravel many theories, and to be honest, phase 4 will be very different from phase 3. Very different.
Phase,
have numerous new characters. बहुत different introductions होने वाले हैं. So
they're
I
already,
think it's gonna be a revival over there.
see, they're already like moving towards bringing in the kids. ठीक है, विकन एंड स्पीड को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया है एंड विकन एंड स्पीड का रिटर्निंग पोटेंशियल तो बहुत हाई है, क्विकसिल्वर का ना भी हो तो. एंड केट बिशप आने वाली है, लाइक हॉकाई का शो जो ऑलरेडी इन वर्क्स है, केट बिशप आने वाली है, शी हल्क आने वाली है. एंड ये क्या कहते हैं, विकन ब्रिंग्स इन द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ आर्मडेस चो कमिंग इन. ठीक है,
Hulkling.
and Hulkling and Amadeus Cho coming in, which is again the totally awesome Hulk. And then Miles Morales के आने का भी चांसेस है बिकॉज Miles Morales के अंकल को दिखा दिया है इन स्पाइडरमैन होमकमिंग. ठीक है, Childish Gambino played that guy, right? So
Right.
Yeah. The one who got webbed by Spider-Man altogether.
he was one of the villains in Multiverse, na? Like the same character was the villain in
Yeah, he was.
In Multiverse.
Spider-Verse, sorry, Into the Spider-Verse. So
That was beautiful. Beautiful.
वो मूवी भी अलग है, उस पर भी बात करेंगे किसी दिन. So हाँ, तो आई थिंक when it comes to portrayal, Quicksilver, Wiccan and Speed का portrayal was amazing. उनके एक तो विकन और स्पीड के पावर्स, यू नो, जस्ट लाइक म्यूटेंट्स के पावर्स एट अ सर्टेन एज आते हैं, 10-12 साल के जब हो जाते हैं तब आते हैं. सिमिलरली इसमें भी दिखाया है कि दे डिडंट इमीडिएटली हैव पावर्स, दे एक्चुअली टुक टाइम टू इनिशिएट और आई विल से डेवलप दोज पावर्स. ठीक है, दूसरी चीज़ पोर्ट्रेयल ऑफ दोज पावर्स, माई गॉड, क्रेजी. लाइक स्पीड को प्रॉपर क्विकसिल्वर को इमिटेट करते हुए दिखाया है, विकन को वॉइसेस सुनते हुए दिखाया है.
मतलब they have,
हाँ,
exactly, मतलब they showed कि they have powers but they still don't have control over those powers.
exactly.
Wiccan के उस that episode wherein Vision is actually trying to escape Hex and
Escape,
Wiccan realizes
yeah,
कि something
dad.
is happening,
Something
but
is
he's still
happening,
confused. Because समझ नहीं आ रहा. That's when he calls Wanda. तो वो a very good portrayal of how they are realizing that they have powers but they still don't have control over it.
True.
तो वो एक काफी अच्छा portrayal दिखा.
Exactly.
I think they showed their powers even before when they tried to increase their age altogether. Wanda was like,
वो भी.
don't you guys
Don't
do
do
it,
it.
and like, okay, like.
I think
they
that
immediately
was
went away. good.
I think that was something a little different from their powers. मतलब it wasn't exactly their
Their
powers.
original powers.
हाँ,
Powers,
it
हाँ,
was
मतलब-
it was more like they had realized कि they are characters in a sitcom, ठीक है, and they can do this
हाँ.
shit. That is what it was, you know.
They were basically they did not exist outside Hex ना, तो वो Hex
हाँ.
की अपनी creation थी. So it's like the same thing. Even after Vision was a creation of the Hex, Vision had his powers. कि वो Norm को
Yeah.
he could bring back Norm into reality, understand what's happening, and then send him back. So वो powers he still had. So I guess that was because they were actually only a part of Hex. तो उस वजह से I guess Speed and Wiccan could transform their age, speed up
Yeah.
their whatever the cycle, whatever it is.
Yeah.
But I guess that is the reason it happened.
Okay, now we have talked about Quicksilver, we have talked about Wiccan, we have talked about Speed. We'll come to Wanda and Vision last में. Now let's go to Agatha Harkness and Monica Rambeau. ठीक है. So, in my opinion, now when it comes to Spectrum, I don't really read Captain Marvel so much. Not one of my favorites. Comics maybe it's not one of my favorites because I don't like OP characters personally. ठीक है. I like characters who can be beaten down like to the brink of death and then they can come back one way or another. That's the kind of characters I like. Like even if you talk about Hulk, जिसका power level is not defined, upper limit defined नहीं है, ठीक है. He might even go more powerful than Captain Marvel sometimes like World War Hulk. But then more मतलब I think more often than he gets beaten up. ठीक है. 60% of the times he's beaten up and he's so much in pain. The character is so much in pain and that brings a certain depth. ठीक है. कैप्टन मार्वल में वो नहीं दिखता मेरे को यार, ना सुपरमैन में दिखता है ऑनेस्टली, ठीक है. लेकिन ठीक है, सह लेंगे, अच्छी स्टोरी लाइन है तो सह लेंगे, वो सीन है.
Point of having these characters who are like ultimate OP ना,
हाँ.
showing
वो
their
backbone है.
defeat or something like that is amazing. Like if you read or even if you see animated series altogether, like the moment Superman met Batman, or when Captain Marvel met this guy, no, Captain Marvel, I'll assume Thanos है because Thanos का animated series में legendary दिखाया है. The way he has portrayed, the Avengers were not able to beat him. It took Ultron altogether
Ultron
into the
to
power,
beat him,
and then
right.
yeah,
हाँ.
and that
Right.
was the point जहाँ पे वो include हुआ था. So looking at these types of villains or heroes altogether getting beaten up in a small, well, and all, it's good यार. मतलब like ठीक है, I understand your point as well. Even I don't like Superman altogether, but अच्छा लगता है देखे जब पिट रहे हैं ना, like good.
He's
You deserve
for some
this
reason he
now.
was my first superhero. मतलब I was introduced to. So he's my always favorite, like no matter what.
बट हाँ, सुपरमैन के बारे में एक चीज़
I
है.
hate him.
सुपरमैन के बारे
To
में
be
एक चीज़
honest,
है.
I hate him.
नहीं, सुपरमैन के बारे में एक चीज़ है कि आई थिंक जितना भी डेप्थ मैंने सुपरमैन में देखा है ना अभी तक ऑन स्क्रीन, स्नाइडर ही ला पाया भाई. मैट रीव्स ने भी सुपरमैन प्ले किया था, ठीक है.
That is true.
मैट रीव्स नहीं,
That is
what was his name, man? I don't remember his name, but yeah, Superman has been portrayed like
Which
twice or
one? The
thrice.
first one.
हाँ, the first one, ठीक है. Now the point is 2 से 3 लोग सुपरमैन पोर्ट्रे कर चुके हैं बिफोर दिस गाय हेनरी कैविल. But Henry Cavill brought out the human nature in Superman and the connection between him and his Earth father, ठीक है, the connection between him and his mother, the connection between him and Lois Lane, all of that has been portrayed so well that it has given a certain depth to the character. उसके वजह से when I see Superman on screen, I'm not irritated, and I think Marvel needs a director like Zack Snyder to portray Captain Marvel in such a way.
Captain Marvel.
So coming to Monica Rambeau,
Anyway, let's come back to WandaVision. Let's come back to WandaVision.
yeah, exactly. So coming to as I said, Monica Rambeau पे वापस आते हुए, I don't really know much about Spectrum in the comics, but yeah, powers are amazing.
Same.
ठीक है. She can actually see through the electromagnetic waves and things like that. She can, I don't know what is it called, morph bullets. or slow down bullets in one way, like phasing through her body and things like. I don't know what her
It's all
powers are
about
exactly.
waves. It's all about
Ha,
waves. She can
it's-
control waves altogether. Any waves you can think about.
हाँ,
Be it
exactly.
sound, light, or anything. She can control any sort of waves.
हाँ, तो उसके
So
वजह
that
से
is-
she can
that
control
is-
the speed
वो
of
बहुत अच्छे से
bullets and all.
depict किया गया था.
I think what she does is she takes that kinetic energy and उसको change करती है, उसका energy absorb करती है खुद में and छोड़ देती है bullets को वापस.
Imagine Spectrum at one side and we have Black Panther on the other side. My God, kinetic energy क्या तो लगने वाला है अच्छे से.
वो काफी strong होगा.
तो Monica Rambeau, I think as far as her character was concerned, पोर्ट्रेयल का तो मैं नहीं बोल सकता बिकॉज मैंने ज़्यादा पढ़ा नहीं है, बट हाँ एक्टिंग इम्पेकेबल था, बहुत अच्छा किया है. एंड मोनिका रैम्बो के कैरेक्टर ने एक इम्पॉर्टेंस दिया है शो को दूसरे कैरेक्टर्स को, लाइक वांडा एंड विजन, बिकॉज मोनिका इज समवन हु आइडियलाइजेज हीरोज लाइक अस, सो शी सॉर्ट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्ट्स फैंस लाइक अस. ठीक है, शी नोज दैट वांडा इजंट बैड, शी नोज दैट विजन इजंट बैड. She knows, she understands कि they should be given a chance to explain themselves, and
She's shown loyalty and trust towards them.
exactly, and she is one of the very few characters, including Jimmy Woo and Darcy Lewis. ठीक है,
Darcy.
सिर्फ यही 3 characters थे who actually value heroes the way they should be, and because of that, and Monica Rambeau, what she did is, by going into the hex and researching about it, she weighed in on that, right? I mean, she weighed in on her opinion, and she was a huge part of Sword being taken down, in my opinion, because agar wo nahi hoti to I don't think Sword would have been taken down so quickly.
Right. True. मतलब it was literally her fighting against director Hayward.
Exactly, the whole organization.
Darcy did not even come in as a member of the Sword. Even Jimmy Woo, they were all members of FBI and other organizations. But Monica was already a part of Sword, and well, she knew कि something is wrong, and well, things need to be things need to be. So I think she important role among the three of them, Jimmy and Darcy. But of course they were of great help, Jimmy Woo and Darcy Lewis.
Of course. And they were very entertaining.
We've seen them before in Fuse.
Jimmy's magic tricks.
Darcy was very entertaining.
They added the entertainment.
Darcy has always been entertaining.
Yeah, that is true. Exactly.
Thor,
the Dark World, I guess the only reason why I liked the Thor the Dark World was because of Darcy,
yeah.
witty comments and
Exactly.
humorous comments. Baki movie was not that good, of course, but Darcy made it कि ठीक है, थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा है मूवी में.
No, she had the character of like Mater. Have you if you have seen Cards, obviously I'm guessing both of you.
Right.
So उसमें she has the character of Mater.
Yes.
People are not noticing what the dumb person actually doing because they're too busy laughing on them. She had some pretty witty comments. Also, if I can relate it to, if you guys have read As You Like It, so she has this touchstone wala touch to it.
Right.
Her first line is always something dumb, but the second line when she says it's something like click wala cheez hai. Exactly. She portrayed brilliantly यार दोनों में. In fact, WandaVision में तो expect नहीं किया था उसको आने का.
हाँ यार, like literally
when you're
लिटरली जब WandaVision में एंट्री हुआ डार्सी का, आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द फक आर यू डूइंग हियर? थॉर से सीधा वांडा, आई मीन देयर इज अ ह्यूज चेंज ऑफ फील्ड. तुम्हारा एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज है क्या एग्जैक्टली? एंड देन शी रिवील्स, मतलब उसका डायलॉग भी है उसमें कि मेरा कोई एक एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है, मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. शी लिस्ट डाउन थिंग, ठीक है, थिंग्स, एंड शी इज लाइक कि मैं ये सब कर सकती हूँ, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव बीन कॉल्ड हियर टू सी कि क्या चल रहा है एग्जैक्टली. आई एम लाइक ओके, काफ़ी टैलेंटेड बंदी है, एंड आज तक हमें पता नहीं था जस्ट बिकॉज उतना दिखाया नहीं है डार्सी को.
She got overshadowed. No, she got overshadowed. Jane Foster overshadowed, like the character altogether overshadowed her. इसीलिए वो नहीं हो पाया. I think she has the good potential now. Now coming back to Monica, so जब तुम मोनिका की बात कर रहे हो, that स्पेक्ट्रम का जो पॉइंट था वो तो बहुत बाद में आया. इवन बिफोर दैट शी इज ऑल्सो शोन की विट चीज, बिकॉज इनिशियली ऑल्सो इन कैप्टन मार्वल शी हैड दैट, मतलब एक होता है ना the potential altogether जो बोलते हैं
Right,
कि इसमें
exactly.
दिखता है कि yeah, she can do something ahead आगे जाके, and she will be a very crucial part to the world altogether, the MCU.
Even as a
So-
kid, she forced her mom to go into space
Yeah.
and help Captain Marvel.
Yeah.
Captain Marvel altogether जब वो बैठी थी with outside the house
With
and
Nick
all,
Fury
so
and
that was a
everything,
good scene. वो अच्छा scene
Right.
था.
I think Rambo.
मतलब कैरेक्टर का बिल्डअप ऑलरेडी स्टार्टिंग से ही अच्छा show
Build up
किया
बहुत
था.
अच्छा था यार.
वही तो रैम्बो, आई थिंक मोनिका रैम्बो इज़ द ओनली कैरेक्टर राइट नाउ इन MCU जिसको 2 बार इंट्रोडक्शन मिल चुका है, 2 टाइप का. एक तो बचपन में मिल चुका है कि तू बड़ी होके काफ़ी वाइटल होने वाली है,
As a
एंड
kid.
दूसरा एज स्पेक्ट्रम. इट्स लाइक एक वन इज़ द चेंज फ्रॉम किड टू मोनिका, एडल्ट मोनिका, एंड वन इज़ एडल्ट मोनिका टू स्पेक्ट्रम. तो 2 इंट्रोडक्शन देख चुके हैं. अब तीसरा मिलेगा कैप्टन मार्वल 2 में. ठीक है, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे हम 8th पॉइंट पे आएंगे जब. ठीक है कि
देख
कैसे.
आई थिंक जो एक्चुअल इंट्रोडक्शन होगा स्पेक्ट्रम का, वो आई गेस कैप्टन मार्वल 2 में होगा.
हाँ
Because
वही.
इसमें भी अगर देखा जाए,
हाँ.
पर्सन लाइक मी जिसने कॉमिक पढ़ी, बिकॉज आई स्टिल हैव नो आइडिया हु स्पेक्ट्रम इज, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर शी इज, उसकी एग्जैक्टली पावर्स है क्या,
बहुत
उसमें भी
limited दिखाया है.
इतने अच्छे से डिस्प्ले नहीं. एग्जैक्टली. सो आई गेस द एक्चुअल इंट्रोडक्शन जो इसको मिली कैप्टन मार्वल सेकंड मूवी में मिलेगी. मतलब वी कैन स्टिल एक्सपेक्ट अ थर्ड इंट्रोडक्शन टू द सेम.
हाँ वही. अभी टीजर मिला
Yeah,
है
quite
स्पेक्ट्रम
possible.
का.
एग्जैक्टली. हाँ.
सो
Because अगर तुम कैप्टन मार्वल इन एवेंजर्स, तो like she said कि I am busy saving out the other worlds, and when Rhodes comments कि why weren't you here when we needed you? Then unfortunately there are not other heroes like you outside, so I am there to help them. So imagine her coming from all of this and the years that she has passed altogether, then coming back to the small kid she met initially when she was in Earth. That introduction will be good. Like she will be first. I'm pretty sure this will happen. Captain Marvel pehle to she'll be sad that a kid got pulled into this kind of world because she knows the difficulties that it comes with. Secondly, she might be happy कि now ठीक है चलो अब है तो है क्या कर सकते हैं वाले ऐसा हो जाएगा.
कोई मिल गया साथी.
हाँ, तो वो एक हो सकता है. और मोनिका का रोल जो एज स्पेक्ट्रम जो दिखाया है वो ऑब्वियसली, मतलब उसको स्पेक्ट्रम नहीं दिखाया अभी, मतलब उसको बस दिखाया कि दैट शी हैज पावर्स.
She has
उसका
powers,
स्पेक्ट्रम
exactly.
नाम या कुछ भी उसका रोल ऑल टुगेदर एज अ सुपर हीरो वो खाली वो बुलेट्स वाले सीन में था. एंड आई डोंट थिंक
दैट वाज ओनली वन सीन जो कि
एक्सप्लॉयटेशन,
ऐसा दिखाया
वो
कि हाँ
कैरेक्टर
शी हैज.
एक्सप्लॉयटेशन का पार्ट आ ही नहीं सकता है वो. तो दैट इज
वही,
जस्ट एन
because अगर
इंट्रोडक्शन.
अब जैसे आई वाज आल्सो कीपिंग अ ट्रैक विद रेडिट पे अलग से मार्वल स्टूडियोज का एक सबरेडिट है जिस पे पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी एपिसोड. तो व्हेन दे शोड कि मोनिका हैज पावर्स, नॉट द बुलेट वाला सीन, उससे पहले व्हेन शी एंटर्स द एक्स द सेकंड टाइम, उसमें दिखाया उसका पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखाया है, द कलर ऑफ द आईज दिखाया. तो द फर्स्ट thing that came to his mind even on the subreddit was कि the character is Photon, not Spectrum. And then in the
Yeah,
final
she
episode
has
when
3
उसकी powers
characters.
दिखाया.
I read something about that. She has 3 characters. It's Photon, Sulfur, and then it's Spectrum. It's not Spectrum
So-
directly. So there are 3 different
Exactly.
powers of her.
So we are still not sure कि how exactly, मतलब like we are talking about this कि इसको इस character को second Captain Marvel movie में एक proper introduction तब मिलेगा. मतलब if you're talking about introduction into MCU, this wasn't an introduction. I mean, if it wasn't a good introduction, absolutely not. So third movie में is what we can expect कि Captain मतलब मोनिका रैम्बो का character है क्या, what are the powers, what kind of character she is.
सो एनफ अबाउट मोनिका. आई थिंक काफ़ी बात कर लिया हमने ऐसे कैरेक्टर के बारे में जिसके बारे में हमें हार्डली कुछ पता है. अगाथा हार्कनेस में आते हैं भाई. प्यार, शो का जो प्यार थी, ठीक है, उस पे आते हैं. क्योंकि हमने क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट किया था और क्या ही निकली. मतलब हाँ, एग्नेस से देयर वर स्पेक्यूलेशंस कि हाँ वो अगाथा हार्कनेस निकलेगी. But then Agatha Harkness doesn't really have a definitive villain role in the comics. ठीक है. The introduction in the MCU was the same as that in the comics. मतलब she has been a part of the Salem witch trials of Massachusetts, and वही चीज़ दिखाई है यहाँ पे कि 1600s में उसके साथ ये हुआ एंड दैट इज़ अ प्रॉपर कॉमिक एक्यूरेट सीन है, समझो कि ये एक कॉमिक स्ट्रिप निकाल के रख दिया है वैसा टाइप का चीज़ है, ठीक है. एंड बियॉन्ड दैट it's all her knowledge. She has a certain power level, but it's more about her knowledge. Just like with Doctor Strange, right? He was trusted by Ancient One, but then he has a lot
The
of
Ancient
knowledge
One.
too. मतलब to a huge extent, उसके powers are due to his knowledge, right? Due to the spells he knows. So it's similar with Agatha, and I think what happens is in the show is that it builds up at a very सूदिंग रेट, मतलब एकदम सही रेट पे बिल्डअप किया है कि एग्नेस के धीरे धीरे करके अनॉमलीज दिखाएं हैं. जैसे सबसे पहले नेबर के साथ ही शी इज़ लाइक ही डजंट नो एंड वी थिंक कि हाँ शी माइट बी अगाथा हार्कनेस बट शी इज़ हेल्पिंग वांडा. दैट वाज व्हाट वी थॉट अर्लियर. then we see ki okay even
That is how we started.
and then we see ki okay even Wanda is confused, what the fuck is happening, like who's Agatha, मतलब who's Agnes. इसको तो मैंने नहीं डाला था हेक्स में, उस टाइप का एक एक्सप्रेशन आने लगा था उसके चेहरे पे, ठीक है. एंड देन दे शो दी हैलोवीन एपिसोड जहाँ पे शी एक्ट्स एज इफ शी इज़ अनदर सिटीजन अगेन, एंड देयर वी थॉट कि ठीक है इट माइट सो बी कि वांडा इज मेकिंग एग्नेस डू ऑल दिस, आई मीन मेकिंग एग्नेस हेल्प through mind control. And then they reveal in the final 2 episodes, मतलब episode 8 में reveal किया उन्होंने कि भाई सीन तो कुछ और ही है, ठीक है, मतलब सीन ही कुछ और है. बंदी कभी माइंड कंट्रोल में आई ही नहीं थी, एंड ये हेक्स में यूं ही आ गई. मतलब शी इज सो पावरफुल, एग्नेस इज सो पावरफुल दैट पीपल हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट इनसाइड हेक्स एंड गेट आउट ऑफ इट, एंड शी जस्ट entered हेक्स एज इफ शी was like ऑलवेज देयर, उस टाइप का चीज़ था. तो टेक अवे
देख Agatha, Wanda never doubted Agatha कौन है या क्या सीन है. She was never afraid of using her magics in front of her. जबकि विजन ने उसको टोका भी. I mean, you're in front of people, in front of her, and we're not supposed to, And Wanda says, "I'm tired of pretending, and I just want to." So she trusted Agatha. So I think उस time तक she never doubted her because Agatha at that point probably used her to make her believe that she is actually a part of the environment and she belongs there. She's not
exactly.
an anomaly. I think